This is Dear Damson. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to paint today a succulent, and it's going to be a super simple. All the leaves will be pointed, simple shape leaves, starting with the smaller leaves in the center and growing it each layer, and each leaf will end up in between another leaf. First layer is going to be green, starting from the beginning of the leaf, pulling kind of halfway with a very transparent green, and I'm gonna add a few layers of that green, and obviously I'm not gonna want to fill in the whole green again with darker green, but I'm gonna make it a little spotty, adding tiny bit of an outline on some of the leaves and leaving a little bit of a white area on others so I don't lose the shapes of the leaf. After that, I'm gonna grab some red, and it's going to be very pale red, the same exact technique but with a different color, coming from the tip of the each leaf going towards the center, meeting with the green, super transparent. And again, I'm going to add a little bit of a darker color, and I don't want to perfectly outline them. I want to be more sporadical, just a little bit on either one side or the other, and not to be just a perfect line, but to leave a little spaces in between so it doesn't look so perfect. I'm gonna have to wait for this to dry in one point, so I'm going to add a little bit of a background, and I'm gonna use purple to punch out the red color, and that will help that red really to pop. I am using dry on wet technique, but I am adding the water after I add the paint and kind of pushing the paint around to make it look more cloudy, but that gives me a little bit more control. Now I'm gonna go back in, and I'm gonna add a little more shadow in the inner leaf, and then going back to the red and making those little tiny spots and dots. Some of them will merge and some of them will be a little bit more separated. It's almost like if you imagine a Dalmatian or koi fish in a way. That's the spots I'm doing on the plant, and I'm gonna do red, and also I'm gonna go back to the green and do the same exact thing. And pretty much that's it, just playing around and trying to figure out when am I gonna stop. I added a little bit of yellow, and that really made it pop. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.